On question number 6, I'd like to get all the x's on the same side first. So I think what I'll do is I'll add ax to both sides first. So then I'll get 2ax plus 4 is greater than or equal to negative 5. Well, then I think what I'll do is I'll subtract 4 next. So when I combine my like terms, I get 2ax is greater than or equal to negative 9. To get x by itself, then we'll divide both sides by 2a. And you get the answer I typed in. Negative 9 over 2a. I'll approach number 7 in kind of the same form, except I think what I'll do is I'll add ax to both sides first. And the difference this time is I can't combine my terms, can I? So I get 2 is less than x plus ax. Well, to get my x out, I think I'll factor that x out of both terms. So x, in other words, I'll undistribute it. Well, x times 1 gives me x, and x times a gives me ax. Then, to get the x by itself, notice I'm taking x times my parentheses, so the opposite of times. I'm going to divide both sides by 1 plus a. So then I'll get 2 over 1 plus a is less than x, which is the same thing as x is greater than 2 over 1 plus a. On the last one, first thing I'll do, I think, is I will subtract 3 from both sides. So when I do that, I'll get negative 2 over a times x is greater than negative 12. Then I'll get rid of my fraction. I'll multiply both sides by a. That means the a is reduced. So I get negative 2x is greater than negative 12a. Then I'll divide both sides by negative 2. And since you're dividing by a negative, we flip the sign. So I get x, negative 12 divided by negative 2 is 6. So x is less than 6a. On number 9, let's solve each one of these and see what happens. So the first thing I'll do on the first box is I'll subtract 9 from both sides. So when I do that, I'll get 4y is greater than negative 12. I'll divide both sides by 4. Y is greater than negative 3. I'll go through my second one. This time I'll add 4 to both sides. Then I'll get 3y is greater than 9. Divide by 3. Y is greater than 3. Notice I get 2 different answers, so one of these is not like the others. Okay, let's take a look at my third box. I'll subtract 1 from both sides. When I do that, I'll get negative 2y is less than negative 6. I'll divide both sides by negative 2. Y, flip the sign, is greater than 3. That makes me think the first one doesn't belong. But let's look at the others. Or the last one, I should say. So in the last one, I'll subtract 2 from both sides. And on that one, I'll get negative 5y is less than negative 15. Divide both sides by negative 5. Remember, when you divide by negative, flip the inequality. Y is greater than 3. So my last three boxes are the same. My first box is different. So 4y plus 9 greater than negative 3 does not belong.